Tila is an angel.
Oh!
No, TJ.
You don't know.
Tila.
TJ, what sound does Dewey make? No, that's the sound the monkey makes.
How old are you, TJ? How old are you?
This is really good. Better than sleep with the
Yeah, they're the most natural.
TJ, what are you doing
They're
at
very
Dewey?
expensive.
Oh yeah?
Well, not really. $10 for it. They're cheaper.
They were like 40 pesos a box.
10 pesos, 35.
TJ, what are you doing at Dewey?
We'll have to try the Lambo Bonito.
Oh yeah?
It's not for
This
Bonito.
is from where?
TJ?
This is from Cordova.
TJ? Do you want to go time out? What do you want?
Time out.
Time out? I know.
There, do that.
Okay, TJ, you have to sit here and you cannot move. And do you know why? It's because you threw pencils all over the house.